Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel is Mobile. So in today's video, we are going to unlock a phone of Vivo, and from today we are starting a new challenge of 100 days for unlocking phones. So our first one is Vivo, and I forgot the password, and now you have to tap on this dialer option, and you have to go into emergency. We have emergency option in every Android phone. So now I'm dialing a code, and you have to dial the same code star 968 star 968 star 12525 hash. So you have to dial this code and tap on OK for 6 to 7 times. So I'm doing the same code again and again, and you have to also do the same code. So after this, your phone will go into developer mode, and then you have to dial a new code. After that, your phone will be unlocked. So I'm dialing the same code again and again. You have to also do the same. Just follow these steps without skipping. So guys, don't skip any number and dial the same code. Now here your phone will go into developer mode, and now you have to again dial a new code. The starting of that code will be same, but the end phone numbers which I'm telling you is that they should be the password that you want to add on your phone now. So I will dial 4758, but instead of that, if you want to add any new password on your phone, you can do that also. So from starting, the code should be same star 568 star 568. Now after star, here you have to add your code, okay, which you want as password. So I'm dialing 54758 star 4758 hash, but you can change this 4758 according to your choice. So I'm dialing this code again, and you have to follow these steps again and again for 8 to 9 times. So I'm dialing the same code. Don't change the code, then this process will not be finished, and you will not be able to complete your process of unlocking your phone. So guys, you have to follow these steps again and again. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then go and subscribe to my channel also. Like this video and share it with your friends also if they need. So guys, I'm dialing the same code again star 568 star 568 star 4758 star 4758 hash. So guys, this is the code, and you have to dial this code for 8 to 9 times. Guys, if you want to get video of unlocking of any specific phone or any specific model, you can write that in comment also. Now guys, what you have to do is after completing this process, you have to restart your phone. So just tap on this button, and then you have to tap on restart. Now guys, this is the Vivo phone, you can see that on screen also. Now your phone will be restarted. So guys, I am just waiting for restarting that phone. Once it will get restart, then we will continue the process. Meanwhile guys, you can go and subscribe to my channel. So guys, now our phone is restarted, and now from here you have to add that number as password which you added in your code. So I added 4758 and I'm adding that. Now you can see that my phone got unlocked. Just wait to get it load. It's loading. Now guys, you can see that my phone got unlocked, and you can follow the same steps and you can also unlock your phone. So guys, thanks for watching, and do subscribe to my channel, like the video, share the video with your friends also.